Hello guys, it's Estin the Quickest here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate any language on planet Earth on your mobile phone. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to get an app called Google Translate. Alright, you can just head over to Google Play Store and you download this app called Google Translate. This is how it looks like. Alright, sometimes it comes inbuilt with your phone. So when you get this app, we are going to open it up. Remember, it uses internet connection, so just tap and open it up. Alright, so over here we have English. English is the word you're going to write. So over here we have English and over here we have French. So let me change it to German. If I cannot see that, I'm just going to search it. German. So you can see the download icon over here. I'm just going to tap on it and it says download. So as you can see, it's downloading. So let's just wait a while for it. So as you can see, I've tapped on it. Now let's say hello, good morning. I'm just going to tap on here. So it says hello, guten Morgen. As you can see, so you can tap on this voice icon to play it loud.
Hello, good morning.
So if you tap on this other one, it's gonna say it in German. So if you want to copy this, you just tap on this icon to copy it. As you can see, hello, guten Morgen. As you can see. So that's it, guys. If you want to add a new translation, you can add it and you can translate it as much as you can. Alright, so this can even help you to learn a new language. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. So I hope I see you in my next video. Adios.